Is this word here pronounced water or water? Well, both are correct depending on your accent. In my accent, I like to change a lot of t sounds to d sounds. Let me show you some examples. Number 1, later, later. Number 2, beautiful, beautiful. Number 3, after, after. Number 4, medal, medal. Number 5, meter, meter. Number 6, British, British. Number 7, total, total. So how do you know which t sounds you can change to a d sound? Well, there's no rule that is correct 100% of the time. A general rule is that if you have a vowel sound, then a t sound, then another vowel sound, then you can change the t to a d. An example word could be later, later. But please note that this rule is not correct 100% of the time. It's just a general rule. In summary, we sometimes change a t sound to a d sound. If you're not sure whether you can change the t to a d, just say t.